Hello guys, how are you? So, dito yung karugtong ng last videos natin na nagbisita dito yung mga tita ko from California. So, ito yung hotel na pinag-i-stayan nila. So, we picked them up, no, kasi pupunta kami sa Little Germany dito sa lugar namin. Anyway, so dahil lang check-in sa hotel is 4 p.m. So, this is around 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. I think. So, 4 to 5 p.m. So, we picked them up and then we'll go into Little Germany. Medyo malayo din siya sa amin ng konti, no? So, this is still the day 1 ng pag-visit nila dito. You know, so a while ago, nagpunta kami ng church kaninang umaga and then we went to the haunted lake, and now we're going to Little Germany. So let's go and explore this place. You know, it's fun to be here. Anyway, it's Sunday again, so medyo matao dito kasi tourist spot siya actually. So, yan. Marami dito din sa ano. But are you hungry or do you wanna look at that store or kain muna, eat muna. Okay, okay. They wanna eat. Okay. Kung saan nyo gusto. It's all for you, baby. Oh, she doesn't. Boba, diba gusto niya? Di ba tinuro ni Tita? Saan? Doon daw. Ano si Tita Ludi? There's nothing. Sa baba siguro. Sa ibang store. Busog po ako.
They're all pretty good. The original one's gonna be like a sweet. The matcha's gonna be that kind of green tea kind of flavor. We have a chocolate and then we have a strawberry. And we can put like all of these different flavored ice creams in there. If you want some ice cream or just like some syrup and stuff like that. Really good matcha. The matcha.
You wanna choose a seat? You wanna choose a seat over there or outside? Wherever you want. Oh, wait. Tita Linda? No? 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 Okay. There's a bagel if you want.
It is that.
Okay, sit there. Sit there. Oh, there's one sit there.
There's there.
Or you can put the chairs over there.
Place ito.
Ano? Bagel.
Can't find all.
Kainin mo.
Thank you.
How much should I pay? Yeah, and it's fine. There's some ice cream.
Again? You have to go on the other side. Your cat. Yeah, you can. But I think you have to buy something. It's a German restaurant. Yeah.
German restaurant. Ayan o. Paano ba kayo?
Hi. Ito mag-lock. Do you want to go inside? It's a candy, ano. That's the aming malabas.
Wala na doon sa banda doon. Ano,
Wala na.
zipline na.
Zipline na doon. Zipline.
Parang falls.
Falls. May falls. Waterfalls doon. Dito, tignan lang natin yung tubig. Ano ba?
Pwede kayong pakuha dito oh.
Ay, oo nga, ano.
Diba? Iyan yata yung mga kitchen eh. Tapos kayo
Saan sila kumuha ng kitchen?
Pako, ano kayo? Oh, a tribute to the armed forces. Pwede pakuha na kayo. Ayaw niyo? Dali na pakuha natin.
Awesome. Very good. Ha? Lobat na?
Doon na lang siya nagkakayo ng bag.
May magper-perform yata. Kaya nag-aabang sila.
Saan ako? Saan ako? Napuna mo ng ano?
Ay, oo.
Ako na may kita. Ayun, may kita. Sa loob siguro marami. Hummingbird.
Okay. Ay,
Ate Lili, ganda nung ano.
ay paano kaya ano yun? May ano, parang may tali.
Oo, ito
Ayan,
yung
oh.
parang alambre na gano'n.
Aha.
Please do not touch. Paano pa yun? Solar.
Umiikot.
Solar,
Oo.
ano?
Ang galing naman. Ayun pa.
Alam ko ini ano to, hindi pala may pictorial. Eh sana kinunan mo yung ano.
Ayun na nga. Nakagayan niya.
Ayan pala. Ayan na.
Sa oso. Naalala ko tuloy Alex.
Oh, ang lamig naman dito, mahangin. May gnome pa sila doon, ayun oh. Violet wants something. Nasaan na sila? Jocelyn wants something. Oh. Ask Jocelyn if she wants something.
Bakas ng ano.
There's a lot. Yeah. Well, it's nice to walk around and sit there, you know. Especially Christmas, you know. Zip line. Yeah. Coaster, you know, if you so zip line, coaster, tubing, you know, and then the park, the waterfalls, you know, so